Waec questions involving number base. Okay, guys, let's solve this Waec questions that has to do with number base. So this question is from the 2018 Waec past question from number. So the question says, if 2n4 base 7 equals 15 equals 15n base 9, find the value of n. Okay, so how do we do this? So what we do, the only way these two numbers can come to an agreement is when we convert them to base 10. So we're going to work with base 10 here. Here we have solutions. Okay, I'm going to write solutions. And we have 2n 4 base 7 equals 15n 9. Then working with this, we have, let's convert them to base 10, which is decimal. So we have 0, 1, 2. We have 0, 1, 2 again. And we have 2 times 7 to the power of 2 plus n times 7 to the power of 1 plus 4 times 7 to the power of 0 equals 1 times 9 to the power of 2 plus 5 times 9 to the power of 1 plus n times 9 to the power of 0. So you see, working, converting them to decimal, and we're carrying all of them along, okay? So this equals 2 times 49 plus n times 7 plus 4 times 1 equals 7 to the power of 0 is 1, remember. So equals 1 times 81 plus 81, because 9 to the power of 2 is 81. So 5 times 9 to the power of 1 is 9 plus n times 9 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, we'll continue. 2 times 49 is 98 plus 7 times n is 7n plus 4 times 1 is 4 equals 1 times 81 is 81 plus 5 times 9 is 45 plus n times 1 is n. Okay, we continue. So let's collect like terms. We have 98 plus 4 plus 7n is 102. We add up only numbers. Don't add the one that has letters. So 7n equals 81 plus 45, 126 plus n. Now let's collect like terms. Let's collect like terms. We move this n to this place and move 102 over to the other part. So this is equal to 7n minus n. Remember, when a sign cross to the over equation side, we have minus equal to 126. This move over minus 102. So you see, we've collected like terms. So what we did here is that we collect like terms. Okay, collect like terms. Then we have 7n minus n, and we have 126 minus 102. Okay, so 7n minus n is equal to 6n, which equals 126 minus 102 is 24. Okay, it's 24. So what we have here now, n will be equal to 24 divided by 6, right? So n equals 4. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. Therefore, we found the value of n equals 4. So this is how you solve questions like this. We will solve more questions with time on number-based Waec questions. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.